Here we have an incognito golfer. It really wasn't intended to be that way, but the sun is directly behind him. Let's go ahead and play a swing in slow motion. On the face-off view, one of the things I always look for, are we behind the blue line to start with? Does our spine turn on the blue line, parallel to the blue line? And are we able to shift the right side of our body onto the power line on the forward part of the swing? So let's just watch this at 8 speed, see what goes on. Nice low takeaway, but immediately we're seeing the shift onto the front leg rather than onto the back leg. See how the collapse happens there? Good shift into the front side there, not too bad. But again, we don't quite get the whole lower part of the right side around. What I mean by that, if we look here, we're not getting the rotation this way in the lower spine area. What we want to be able to do is to see the pelvis thrust towards the target. We don't want to be up on the toes. You can see here we're up on the toes, both feet. Heels are off the ground, and there's a lot of weight on the toes. In golf, we want to roll our ankle and end up with all of our weight on the outside part of that foot right there. Outside, back towards the heel, so we rotate it around. Where he is now, he hasn't really shifted the weight. And notice we can see that the knee isn't anywhere near where it needs to be in order to be parallel to the power line. So we want to get off the toes and onto the heel of the forward foot.